to pull this one out first. So you know me, the Faygo firework, I had to just jump right into it and make something crazy for you guys. So in today's episode, we're gonna be making something special. And listen, I don't want you to miss what's in the rest of the box because I told y'all this summer is gonna get crazy, okay? So go ahead and hit that like button and hit that follow button too if you like, and go and follow Snacks Lab too so you can see what exclusiveness they got. But let's just dive right into this one, and we're gonna be making a blueberry berry dirty Faygo, okay? This one's gonna be crazy. Okay, bet. So we just gonna start it off with a 24-ounce cup, fill it up about 3/4 away with some ice, and then we're gonna put about an ounce of blue raspberry in it. Then we're gonna grab the firework Faygo soda, and we're gonna go about 3/4 away. All right, so then we're gonna just grab some half and half and create our creamer. In the half and half, I wanted to add the blackberry to give it that depth of that deep red that bring out that vibrancy and the colors that I always talk about in these videos, okay? Then I grab my hand frother and increase my speeds from 1, 2 to 3 to get that consistency that I'm always talking about, guys. I will always forever talk about consistency because when it hits your tongue and it hits those taste buds, it has to be right. Now in this one, this hand frother is a little bit powerful, so be careful on that setting 3, okay? Then we just gonna swivel it up a little bit, give it some life, and we're gonna pour it on top, and look how beautifully this thing sits on this Faygo soda. I'm telling you guys have to try this one. After the video, I made it for myself, okay? This is for me, this is not for nobody else. I made it for myself, and I was like, oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. It literally tastes like a popsicle, but a personalized popsicle. You know, back in the days when you just make them yourself, you put them in the fridge. Bro, this is the one. Look how well that came out. I'm telling you guys, go ahead, click that link below and grab you some.